you say, remember pointy part alcohol.
But I think somewhere I saw small. I couldn't tell which side is the pointy part. All right, so we're getting ready to hatch those eggs. No, actually incubate those eggs that I've been showing you guys. So this is the product that we're using. This is the temperature. So we've been warming this for a few minutes. This is the temperature. We want it about 100. This is, we're going to incubate the eggs for 21, 22 days. We set it for 22 days. If they do come out before 22, great. If not, we're going to give them 22 days. This is the humidity. We want this above 50, so we're waiting for it to warm up a little bit. Then of course this, I just opened it, so the temperature dropped a little bit, so we want it to warm up to 100. Then we'll put the eggs in, but I will show you guys when we're ready to put them in.
Really? Well,
I thought it should be warmer than this.
no, you talk about hot. The pointy part goes down.
Where is that?
They're gonna hatch from here. There's gonna be an air pocket over here. If you turn it, they're gonna drown.
Is that the reason you leave in space in between the colors?
No, I'm just doing the different. Just make sure there is no crack in your egg, because it's gonna explode.
Oh wow, that's a lot of eggs.
They could take more than that. $30.
30 eggs.
30 chicks coming in 21 days. Now we'll come back and take a look at the humidity.
And it shouldn't go above 100.
Yeah, it will never go above 100 because it's set to 100.
Oh, okay. I see the humidity light come on. Is it because now it notices the eggs are in?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, we will see.
Gonna do in 7 days. So now you candle it. The egg has nothing. It's just regular eggs. In 7 days, when you candle, you should see a heartbeat, or you should see blood veins all over.